So what do skateboarding has anything to do with the developer career, right? So if you're looking to grow beyond senior, watch this video to the end because you're gonna get some good information for you to grow beyond senior. So I'm right here in front of the central station of Utrecht. That's the building over there in the back. And I'm on my way to JCon, where I'm talking there tomorrow. And I stopped by here because I'm looking at those guys skateboarding right there. And one interesting thing is that if you pay attention, they're all fully autonomous, right? Each one of the skateboarders, they're doing whatever they want. You know, they're going whatever path they want, right? And so they go in front of each other, they cut each other, but at the same time, they are working together, right? You know, they're doing something, you know, that's nice. They're having fun, they're enjoying themselves. So autonomy is this, right? Autonomy is you deciding what you're gonna do, right? It's you having the capability, the power, the skill to really decide what is that you gonna do, right? And autonomy is one of the most important things for you to grow beyond senior. You know, because as a senior developer, well, the main thing that you're working on your code, right? You're working on the project, but usually you're doing what people are telling you to do, right? So you're working on the code, you're working on the features that was assigned to you. And so for you to grow beyond senior, you have to be more autonomous, right? And autonomy is one of those weird things because autonomy is not something that you ask for, right? Because if you request autonomy, what happens that it's a proof that you don't have it, and if you don't have, you don't deserve to have it, right? It's like one of those crazy things. So autonomy is something that you have to work towards, and the more you do the things, the more that you take care of the things, the more that you would take the responsibility of doing what needs to be done, the more autonomy you have, right? And so, and the reason why this is important for you to grow beyond senior is because the post-senior positions are positions of high autonomy because you have to decide what's important, right? You know, you are in a position, you are in a level where you make a decision, you know, what's important. So it's not necessarily your manager, it's not necessarily your director, someone, no, it's you, because you are the technical person, right? You know what's important. You have the skills, you have the ability to make a decision, right? And so autonomous developers, autonomous post-senior developers, like you can be a staff member, a staff developer, a staff engineer. You can be a principal engineer. You can be a distinguished engineer. All those positions, right? You decide what needs to be done because you know, right? You are the technical person. You are the expert, right? So you decide what needs to be done, and so and then you do the things that are important for the company, right? You can say, but Bruno, how can I do the things that are important for the company if no one telling me what to do? Well, you know, I'm gonna get a train right now. There's no one telling me, Bruno, you have to go get a train. But, you know, I have a responsibility. I have to be at the event tomorrow, and you know, I have to figure things out, right? I have to decide if this is the best path for me, is the best path for the team, right? You know, for me to make. And you can do that too, right? You can make the autonomy, you can make the decisions, you can be autonomous, right? And the more autonomy you are, the more responsibility you get, the more you grow as a developer, and you can start working on these more interesting positions, right? So, so this is I think that's my last video here in Utrecht, right? And so I see you guys in Cologne, in Germany, JCon tomorrow, right? So if you're liking this, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, because I'm gonna be traveling all over Europe, giving you tips on how to become a better developer, how to grow your career, and share this with someone, right? Make sure that your friends also see this, and we talk more. All right, see ya.